Look, these are little puppies. Dog face. They love to play and run around. Puppies wag their tails when they are happy. They are soft, cute, and very friendly. Do you like puppies too?
Here is a monkey family. Monkey. The baby monkey loves to play. Mama monkey takes care of her baby. They jump, climb, and eat bananas. Banana. Monkeys are smart and very funny.
Look at the rabbit family. Rabbit. The baby bunnies hop and play in the grass. Mama rabbit keeps them safe and warm. They love to eat carrots and fresh green leaves. Carrot leaf in wind. Rabbits are soft, gentle, and very cute friends.
Here is a cheetah family. Leopard. The baby cheetahs run and play together. Mama cheetah teaches them to be strong. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land.
Look at the fishes swimming in the water. Tropical fish. Some are small and shiny. Some are big and colorful. They move their fins and tails to swim fast. Fish love to live together in groups called schools. In the ocean, river, and even lakes, you can find many kinds of fish. Wave. They are quiet, gentle, and very interesting animals.
Here is a kangaroo. Kangaroos live in Australia. They have very strong legs and can jump really far. Mama kangaroo has a special pocket called a pouch. The baby kangaroo, called a joey, rides safely inside the pouch. Kangaroos eat grass and plants. Seedling. They can hop fast and travel long distances. Sometimes, kangaroos rest together in groups. They are gentle, amazing animals, and people all over the world love them.
Look, a crocodile. Crocodile. It swims in the water and opens its big mouth wide.
Here is a big gorilla. Gorillas are very strong, but also gentle. They live in the forest with their family. Baby gorillas love to play and climb trees. Shedding tree. Gorillas eat plants, fruits, and leaves every day.
Look at the mother hen with her chicks. Chicken baby chick. The chicks are small, fluffy, and yellow. They follow their mama everywhere she goes. Mother hen keeps them safe under her wings. The chicks peck at the ground, looking for food. Together, they are a happy little family.
Here is a camel. Camels can walk in the hot desert. They store water in their humps and stay strong.
Look at the birds in the sky. Bird. Some birds are small and sing sweet songs. Musical note. Others are big and can fly very high. Birds build nests in trees to keep their eggs safe. Baby birds hatch from eggs and learn to fly. Birds eat worms, seeds, and fruits. They are colorful, cheerful, and make the world more beautiful.